When I used to go to Texas Roadhouse with my friends, I would always order a platter of food and never actually be able to eat it because I stuff myself with their cinnamon honey butter and rolls. So today I'm going to show you a really easy way to recreate this, and to me, it honestly tastes even better. It only takes a few simple ingredients, so let's get started. Okay, the ingredients are very simple. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of honey. If you don't have honey, just use maple syrup, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, a tablespoon and a half of powdered sugar, and some vanilla bean paste. I love vanilla bean paste because of how potent it is, but you don't need vanilla bean paste. You can definitely just substitute with 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So to your stand or hand mixer, add in your whipped cream as well as your salt, and you're going to beat this not to where it gets to stiff peaks just yet, but you want like a thicker consistency. Beat it for about a minute or 2 until you get a whipped cream texture. So once you've achieved that whipped cream texture, you're going to add in your vanilla paste or vanilla extract and let that mix for about another minute or 2. So just add in the rest of your ingredients like your powdered sugar, your honey and cinnamon, and you're going to beat this for about 7 to 8 minutes is how long mine took until I got the consistency that I wanted. You definitely don't want to overbeat it because then the water will actually separate from the cream and it will turn into like a harder butter, not really like Texas Roadhouse. So if it looks like this, you did a great job. This is exactly how I like my butter. I love pairing mine with some nice warm brioche rolls. I actually have the recipe to these exact rolls up on my YouTube, so definitely go ahead and check that out. They're delicious and pair so perfectly with this butter. I do thank you guys so much for watching. I tried to keep this recipe as simple as possible for you all. Please subscribe, like, and comment to help support me, and let me know down in the comments of what type of recipes you want to see next. Thanks, guys.